By coming along to one of these sessions, you're really going to have an opportunity to sink really deep into yourself and find that space of stillness. And one of the most important parts of it, which is why I love doing it, is that the focus is not so much on triggering traumas, it's more about moving into the heart and opening that up in a safe space where you can really access your inner divine nature. And I feel like, just from what we've done so far, that the space that we journey into together is very potent. I'd encourage anyone just to come along and check it out. It's a newer experience for me moving into the breathwork field, but I'm really excited to be playing music with Christian and Michelle. I love what the energy they bring and the space they create, and to be bringing my own sort of blended devotional music into that environment. I'm really enjoying it. It's just opens my heart, and I feel like it's the perfect environment for me to play music in, because people are there for the same reason, to open their heart, and the potential of it is limitless.